If you're looking for a water-fed pole to reach about 30 foot high, the Gardiner CLX is a great choice. The pole starts out at 4 foot and they have models all the way up to 27 foot. Each section is completely telescopic. Construction is a blend of fiberglass and carbon fiber. What that does is it brings the price point down, but it's not as lightweight as some poles on the market. But for the price point, this pole can be a great performer for you and your crew. As with all the Gardiner poles, it comes complete with the water-fed brush, gooseneck, all of the hose assemblies, the water-fed hose that will exit the bottom of the pole and connect easily to your pure water system. All of these are a very budget-friendly option for you, and they can also be used with traditional hand tools by removing the top of the pole, inserting the tip, and that's been a very common use here recently we've seen with window cleaners, especially when comparing it to an aluminum pole. These are going to be much more rigid for you. Check out the full CLX selection on our website at DetroitSponge.com.